walking through the dog park, and I heard somebody, an adult, behind me go, "What are those birdhouses for?" I was just like, at that point, you feel like turning around and just, no, I'm sorry, you should
for
not
the dogs. They love to build them and bring them here. Is there a senior radio show out there?
I think, you know what? I think if because we're hip,
We'd
we
still
could
be working here.
We could still be hip with the kids. Could you imagine being older than the principals when we go to school tours and being older than like the janitor?
Aren't you already?
Oh.
I did have a Cabbage Patch doll when I was a kid.
Did you?
Not 600 of them. I had one, and his name was Manfred.
Really?
Manfred. Yeah. We had a bunch. We had a redhead named Diane.
Really?
Yeah. And one of my biggest regrets in life is going to the Tamarack Mall with my family. And my sister and I swapped seats because I wanted to sit beside my mom.
Yeah.
And then they picked her chair to get a free Cabbage Patch doll.
No.
And I was like, it was not a pretty scene that day.
To be fair, you did the same thing at the chamber dinner last month.
That's true.
When
That's
they
very
forgot
true.
your dessert.
I was not happy.
Weekday mornings for Scott Kia. It's Diesel, Ray, and the crew on Cruise 101.3.